All right. Welcome to lab 3. The goal of this lab is to program an Adruino to work as a built throttle and steering with a button capable of activating a horn. Now, this lab here is not perfect, just because I was not able to find a way to activate a horn with the button, but I was able to program the button to turn on the lights permanently and to turn it off permanently. I'm talking about the LED light. I know it's not the same, but here you go. See? And then turn it off. I'm gonna just keep the light on there. And then here is the joystick. And here's the motor, the server motor. Yep. So when it comes to the wiring, with this guy, I plug for the button. I have one wire. Well, first of all, I have this connected to the resistor, from the resistor to the 5 volts, and then uh, I connected the wire in the same column as the resistor, and then I have the wire connected from one side of the button, uh, connecting to dialog 12 or pin 12. Let's see what I have here, and then the left side of the button I ground this, and the resistor here is important because it's what allows me to basically do this function. What else do I have? I connected this wire. This wire right here that's connected to this resistor that is also in the same column as the LED. And this wire right here is connected to pin 8. And of course, I put the left long stick on the positive side, or on the side on the same side where the other end of the resistor is sticking. Maybe I should turn off the light. Yeah. And then of course the short side I grounded. Now this part, maybe I should turn the light back on again so you'll be able to see it more clearly. Now when it comes to this, over here, of course the most important, I connected the 5 volt into this two guys right here, and also make sure I connected the 5 volts and the ground to the positive and negative. So that way I am able to connect this. One wire is, as you can see here, one wire is connected to the ground because I plugged this on the same column as here. And then I have one wire connected to the 5 volts. See? This is for the servo. And then I have the control wire, which is connected all the way to pin 9. Okay. Now we have the joystick. With the joystick, I have basically I have this in coordinates. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but this is in the same line, right? So basically the first line is BW, which in this case is not necessary, but we can disregard this wire, What's really important is this three wires, because these three wires are actually what I used in my coding. So this wire right here is a VX, or basically the x-axis, which is connected to A1, and then we got the 5 volt, which is connected to A2, and on the ground, which is connected to A3. And for A2 and for A3, which is connected to the 5 volts and the ground, I programmed that to have as input, and basically input and output, having low and high. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it right here. So give me your feedback, and yeah, have a good one.